How to fix Twitter not loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitter not loading on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here click search apps and type here Twitter and then click on it. Now all you need to do here is to click force stop and then go to storage and clear cache, and that's it. After that just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, just click storage and clear data, but you will need to log in again, but your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.